Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the settings for the chat in NotebookLM. So another way that you can customize exactly how the chat in NotebookLM will respond to your prompts is to use the chat settings. So if you go into this middle column and click on the little shifty gears, you can configure the chat to be more specific, and this will control how the chat will respond to your prompts. All right, so define your conversational style. Do you want it to just be default? Do you want it to act as an analyst, a guide, or do you want to customize it? Now, if you customize it, you'll get to describe exactly what you want your conversational style to be. If you click on guide, it has a default that it's going to act like analyst, same thing. But if you're looking for something that you can control, you can go to custom and actually look at their examples and decide how you want to craft your conversational style to meet your needs. And then you can also choose the default length of your response. There's a default, it's just going to give you what it gives you. But you can also make sure that if you are looking for a more detailed response, that you get a longer response. Or if you're not looking for a lot of detail, you're just looking for basic summary, you can change that to shorter. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.